Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop: how to create financial service trust-based design using custom shapes. First of all, we draw shield-style shapes on the canvas. Then we combine multiple layers. After that, we add clean stroke lines. Then we insert trust icons. Now we adjust symmetry carefully. Then we apply soft shadows. Next we add verified text. After that, we refine edges. We look after that we log proportions. Finally, we save for branding kits. Thanks for watching.